How to add a news post on the OYAP site. At the top of our screen, we enter www.cmsstaging.ugdsb.on.ca and we click Login. And we log in with our Windows account. After we're done logging in, we go to www.cmsstaging.ugdsb.on.ca/schooltocareer/OYAP. OYAP. We want to go to the right towards the What's New section, because that's the posts, and we right click inside of there and we click Properties. A new window will open up and we are now in Ektron. And to create a new post, we click on New and we select HTML content. And now the post editor opens up and we call our news title right there and we enter in our actual content here. Now we can paste from another document here, we can create our own content. There's also formatting options, which we'll be going over. So there's plenty of options that we could do. Here I copied and pasted text from another document. I also link to another PDF on the site. So first I type out the text that I wish for users to click to lead them to the link. I highlight it, and there's a little button over here, you have to look for it, Hyperlink Manager, right there. We click it, and we just provide the path to whatever we're linking. So if we're linking to a file, we change it to files or images, whatever we're linking to. On the left panel, we want to scroll down until we see School to Career. And we click on OYAP. OYAP. And then we want to click on Documents. And we select and click the document that we want to link to. Here I chose a PDF. And we click OK. And now the text is clickable and links to the PDF document selected. Using the same method, we can create links to websites instead of files. We type out our text, we highlight it, we click the Hyperlink Manager again, but this time, instead of clicking the little button, we actually type out the path to the website that we want to link to. Here I'm linking to youtube.com, I click OK. Now check this out, is a link to youtube.com if it will be clicked. And there's other options here that you could play around with. Copying and pasting. If we want to insert an image, we need to click on the library button, that little box. When we click on the library button, we change the document type file from files to images by clicking the drop-down menu. And again, we have to scroll down to the proper directory and go to School and Career, and then click on OYAP. OYAP. We select an image. Now the image is included in our content. It's in our post. And we can play around with formatting options. If we want to make text bold, we can highlight the text and click that B. Now the text is bold. The same process will be followed if we want to make it italic or underlined. We highlight text, and we select the function, and the text is transformed. Now we will talk about the summary. The summary is very important. When we go to summary, we click on the summary tab, and it's generally the first line of the content to describe the content. Here it's just PDF link, but generally what you want to put here is something that is the first line from the content because it gives a summary of the content. Now metadata is something else. We click on metadata and that takes us to this page, and there's just pieces of data that represent our post. So we have sample news, Ontario Youth Apprenticeship Program, and Upper Grand District School Board. We want those. We want the title, we want OYAP, OYAP, and Upper Grand District School Board. If we want to create a list, we highlight and we go to the list function. Bullets for bullet list, ordered list for numbered list. And if we look, after clicking these list buttons, our text is now a list. And now it's a number list when the number button is clicked. And we click here to save, and it saves our content in a current window. Saving is important if we don't want our work to get lost. Now there's also another function. Check-in saves our work for others to be able to come in and edit. Save just saves it locally in the window, but check-in makes it so other people can come in and edit it, but it doesn't publish it to the site yet. It's just still in edit mode. It's what you want to do when it's for a work in progress. Now, if we're ready to submit it to the site, we click on edit and then we click on publish. Publishing this will push the content to the site. Thank you for watching.